Well, hi there, everybody, and good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Koneski. A quiet start to our morning. Once again today, the story, wind out there, as those increasing winds out of the south and southeast will be with us, especially by this afternoon. I should see mainly sunny skies today. I think we'll see plenty of sunshine, probably even more than what you're seeing on this map here. The winds actually stay a little bit breezy tonight, but the big change tonight that will happen is that we're going to see an increase in cloud cover after midnight. Watch how these low clouds start to blossom after midnight tonight. We could wake up to nearly overcast, kind of low stratus clouds tomorrow morning for parts of central and eastern Nebraska, and they could stick around much of the morning, kind of making for a gloomy start. The winds will be very strong once again out of the south and southeast. We'll see more sun in the afternoon, enough sun that we should see those temperatures get a little warmer than today. In fact, tomorrow will be a little bit warmer as we see this warming trend the next couple of days here. But after Thursday, I think we'll see plenty of sunshine around for the end of the week and into the weekend. Well, for today, a few clouds, otherwise mostly sunny skies, low to mid 80s up north. Now, yesterday it made it above 90 in Ainsworth, so it won't be nearly as hot there. But again, strong south and southeasterly winds. We had a lot of 90s out west yesterday. We had 98 in Ogallala, so it will be a big cool down today compared to yesterday. But we're looking at mid and upper 80s out west, so that will be the warmest temperatures in the area. Again, breezy south and southeast winds, mostly sunny skies. Across the south, mostly looking at lower 80s with mainly sunny skies. Same thing to the east, lower 80s, mainly sunny skies, and again, winds becoming breezy, especially by this afternoon. Well, if you're heading out to day number 2 of Husker Harvest Days, I was out there yesterday. I would recommend some sunscreen. I got burned pretty well. You can't see it because of the bright light from the light here above me, but yeah, I got burned pretty well yesterday, and that wind, it's strong on those open areas. And I know they paved a lot of those roads, and it's fantastic. It looks great, but there's still a lot of dirt and dust blowing around, especially those areas out away from those main grounds just a bit. But the weather for out there today looking pretty nice, but again, the winds will be strong. Lots of sunshine, 63 at 8 o'clock around the time things open up. About lunchtime, 75 degrees and 81 at 4 o'clock, an hour before things wind down out there at Husker Harvest Days just northwest of Elda. Well, as we look at the next couple of days, windy again tomorrow. Some of those morning clouds will give way to afternoon sunshine, mid-80s for highs. Not as windy, still a touch breezy, but not as windy Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and we'll see upper 80s for high temperatures. Some of you, especially out west, are going to see 90s. And as we get into Monday, still going to keep those mid and upper 80s around. The big question mark right now is Monday night and Tuesday. Now, if you recall my previous forecast from yesterday, I talked about a cold front coming through, and that timing had been pushed back to Monday night with a big cool down by Tuesday. Chance of rain and thunderstorms with that front coming through Monday night into Tuesday. Most forecast models would still agree with that. There are a couple new ones. There's one new one, in fact, the European forecast model, that's pushing that cool down to next Wednesday, basically bringing the cold front through Tuesday night. I'm not going to completely agree with that yet, but I'm just going to say, bear with this part of the forecast. There could still be changes in the coming days ahead, and we may push back the timing of that cold front just a bit. But as of right now, once that cold front comes through, we'll see a big cool down to the 70s, maybe even 60s out there, and again, our next chance of rain and thunderstorms. But again, we may have to push that back a day. So just kind of wait and see in the coming days ahead as we'll start to get a better feel for how that will play out. So again, lots of wind. Warm conditions the next couple of days, almost hot later this week into the weekend, and then sometime next week, we're going to get a cool down. Now for the weekend, again, as I said, hot. If you're going to be out at the Husker game in Lincoln on Saturday, I would highly recommend some sunscreen and, of course, drinking plenty of water out there. I know a lot of people partake in the alcoholic beverages, and that's fine, but of course you want to mix in a little water there too, just to stay hydrated with those temperatures warming up. You get up to the upper 80s in Memorial Stadium, and you're compact with 90,000 people. It feels a lot hotter than that out there, and the winds won't be as strong out there. South and southeast winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. So about 70 degrees for those early tailgaters at 8 o'clock, 80 by kickoff, and 88, say around 2:30 in the afternoon as the game comes to an end. So there's your forecast for today. Until next time, I am meteorologist Travis Koneski. Hope you all have a wonderful day. God bless. I'll talk to you all again on Thursday. Bye.